Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Hyderabad. So the first we are seeing which branch you can fill for PhD. The branches are Artificial Intelligence, Biomedical Engineering, Biotech, Chemicals, Civil, Department of Chemistry, Computer Science and Engineering, Department of Design, Electrical, Entrepreneurship and Management, Liberal Arts, Mathematics, Metallurgical Engineering, Material Science, Mechanical Aerospace Engineering, Department of Physics. The important dates you can see. The application form has started from 19th of October 2021 to and it will end on 3rd of November 2021. So here you can see the important departments. These are the departments. You can check out individual branches brochure, means what are the individual criteria. Just as you can see, for artificial intelligence, Department of Artificial Intelligence is accepting application for PhD program for January 2022. Cycle of admission, application process. It has centralized online application portal for PhD admission. Candidates are requested to visit here for application format and submission link. It's a newly launched department at IIT Hyderabad. Considering the interdisciplinary nature of artificial intelligence, a separate department helps in creating a complete ecosystem for artificial intelligence academics and research at IIT Hyderabad. This department will also offer BTech, MTech and PhD program and plans to offer a variety of minor programs in artificial intelligence. That's all for the detail. We are seeing browser. In that you can see the individual means what are the eligibility criteria. You can click on that, then it is opening. Wait, here you can see this is the browser for artificial intelligence session January 2022. Here eligibility criteria they have given. If you have MTech or equivalent degree in computer science, CC or EE or related areas in artificial intelligence, then you can apply. The applicant must have already earned the master degree or should at least be in final year of respective program. In the latter case, it would be assumed that candidate will be able to complete the degree by the time of admission into PhD program. Means either you are in final year or completed, then you can apply. Selection procedure, preliminary shortlisting depending upon the academic background. Candidate who satisfy the shortlisting criteria need to appear for written test and or interview. Means they are taking both written test and interview. Then here you can see eligibility criteria they have given. Then apart from that, additionally you must have the Department of Artificial Intelligence consider direct PhD admission, where the eligibility criteria is BTech, BE, MCA, MSc or equivalent degree. Means if you not having MTech, then if you also have BTech, BE, MCA or MSc, then you can directly apply for PhD program. Means in that you must have valid GATE score in CS, EC, EE, MA or ST. Candidate with BTech and MSc in any engineering discipline or maths from any centrally funded technological institute with CGPA 9 or above can apply without valid GATE score. Means if you are have graduated from CFTI and having CGPA above 9, then there is no requirement of GATE. And if you have graduated from IIT, NIT or IIIT, then it is relaxed to CGPA 8. Means other than this institution, means IIT, NIT or IIIT, if you have CGPA 9, then you can, there is no need for GATE score. But if you are from IIT, NIT or IIIT, then the CGPA required is 8. So that is the selection criteria. What are the eligibility criteria that is related to artificial intelligence. For others, like we are going to see this mechanical aerospace. Then here you can see what are the eligibility criteria, how they will select. This is the brochure of mechanical and aerospace engineering. These all are the details about department. These all are the details. These are the facilities. Means they have labs related to acoustic vibration lab, applied micro and nanomechanics, computer aided engineering, dynamics of machinery lab. So there are different areas in which you can apply for PhD. And regarding eligibility criteria, they have given or not anything. Admission process, then selection process. They have given candidate with MTech or ME degree in mechanical, aerospace or related discipline are eligible to apply. A valid GATE score is not prerequisite for such candidate. Candidate without master degree but have a valid GATE score and BTech in mechanical, aeronautical, aerospace, automobile, manufacturing, machine tool, production and industrial are also eligible to apply for PhD program. The GATE criterion is not mandatory for IIT BTech student with CGPA 8. Candidate working in reputed research organization with minimum 2-year experience may also apply under external PhD program. Means eligibility criteria they have given. Means if you have master degree in mechanical aerospace, then you can apply. The GATE score is not mandatory for them. But if you have BTech and having valid GATE score, then you can also apply for directly PhD program. They have given this link http ://iith.ac.in. Means I will upload this link in description box. From that you can directly apply. And say about selection process, first they will shortlist, then they will take retain and interview depending upon the number of candidates applying. They have given first stage is written test. The purpose of this test is to gauge the fundamental knowledge of candidate in mechanical engineering. Then they have to appear for interview. Due to COVID situation, written test may or may not be conducted. If they are conducting everything in online, then they may not conduct written test. Then you can see for electrical engineering, I think all things are same. You can check out. It's downloading. Means you can click on individual this department and check whether you are eligible or not, what are the selection criteria, what are the areas you can apply for this PhD program, how much it downloaded. It's 6.23 MB, so it will take time. So you can also check others like department of this biotech. You can check. Then chemical also you can apply, civil also. How much it will take time to download. It is also of 2.66 MB. So it's not possible to see individual browsers about the details of individual branches, how you can apply, what are the selection process, what are the eligibility criteria. You can download and check that. Still it is downloading doubly. If it yeah, it is downloaded. Now you can check. This is the information PhD brochure for electrical engineering. Here you can see these all are the details. These are the faculty details under which you can apply. Means they will guide you. Select individual professor who is belonging to your research areas. These all are the faculty profile. This is the communication and signal processing lab research area. Then microelectronics and VLSI research area they have given. You can select any one of them. System control, EE, this is the all facilities you can found there. Eligibility criteria: if you have BE Tech with following a specialization, then you can apply either electrical, electronics communication, or any other related branch of engineering or technology you can apply. Or if you have BE Tech, MEM Tech with the specialization electrical, electronics communication, then also you can apply. Candidate with get a score in the following EC gate paper. They have given eligibility regarding individual areas, means communication, signal processing, these are the areas. Microelectronics and VLSI, you can check this. It's not possible to mention everything in the video. This is for power electronics. Likewise, you can get every details. Dual degree also you can apply, means after BTech you can directly apply for MTech plus PhD. If you have graduated from IIT and CGPA greater than 8, then there is no requirement of GATE score. But for direct admission to dual degree right after BTech at a non-IIT institution, get a score based shortlist followed by written test and interview for students with CGPA 8. If you have CGPA greater than 8 and valid GATE score, then you can apply. PhD in external sponsored category also you can apply. This is the link. By that you can apply for this department. Selection process same, written test, online interview. First they will shortlist you, then they will take written and interview. Syllabus they have given. In addition to GATE EC syllabus, emphasis will be given on signal system, discrete time signal processing, linear algebra, probability, analog and digital communication. So that's all. You can click on individual branches about the detail and found what are the eligibility criteria, how you can apply, then what are the different research areas, what are the details of individual branches. Everything you can found in information browser of individual branches. So that's all. You must share it with your friends, and if you are waiting first time my channel, then subscribe it. Thank you. Have a nice